Best coffee grinder in 2018. Let's start from the least. Number 5. Electrical Coffee Grinder 220V240V. Features of this product. 360W powerful motor, quiet sound. DC motor can work continuously for long time. Special super hard blades. Capacity, 10 to 15 kilograms. Number 4. Blue Coffee Espresso Tamper Grinder Tool. Features of this product. Solid material. Food grade stainless steel. Excellent design of a large flat surface. Anti-slip. With 3 angled slopes. Material, food grade stainless steel. Number 3. Premium Best Coffee Tamper Grinder. Features of this product. Unibody solid stainless steel construction. Convenient to grip and press. Weight about 800 g. Certification CE/EU. Number 2. Hand Espresso Coffee Machine Maker Coffee Bean Grinder. Features. Condition, 100% brand new. Material, aluminum, acrylic. Grinder core, ceramic. Powder capacity, for 1-2 people. Number 1, Stainless Steel Manual Coffee Grinder. Features of this product. Precise and consistent grind. Stainless steel body. Material metal. Certification CE/EU. To buy this product, check the description link below. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.